Hello everyone, welcome back to Quadro 143. My name is Bijon and today I will show you a different type of digital illustration. So it's a kind of different illustration as I told you. So first I'm going to draw it. So in this drawing, there is two parts. Like either you can draw it one side of wings and then you can copy and paste on another side. You can do it, but I prefer to draw myself both sides, so that's why I'm going to do it. So like if you can check, it's the main things on this illustration, the wings. So it's a illustration which will look like amazing. Check it out till the end and you will happy for it, and you can create by yourself by watching this video. So stay tuned. First I'm going to sketch, as I'm going to do it on the left side, right side first, then I'm going to do it on the left side. So you have to do it like that way, the same way I'm going to do it. Then I'm going to color it, and when a final result will come, you will be amazed for that. So stay tuned, check it out properly. I'm going to do it step by step. And I have completed the sketch almost. And make sure you have to draw it with the pencil with the Procreate. I'm using Procreate pencil in one layer one, and I'm going to use the color, whatever color I'm going to use in this illustration, I'm going to use in a different layer. So that will be easy, and that why I'm going to use a different layer, I'll tell you step by step. Now I'm going to create another layer first, and make sure you have to drop down the opposite, so it's easy to color it. And make sure your drawing should be perfect, then you can create this kind of illustration. So drawing is very important, and I prefer to draw by yourself. That will be great. So I'm going to, as I told you, I'm going to use another layer for and I told you as well at the beginning time that for this illustration I'm going to use a different color and different layer. So first I'm going to use layer 2. I'm going to use Baskerville brush and using the color black, because in this illustration I'm using black color as well, and there is so many colors I'm going to use it. So you have to I'm going to use with the black first. So so many places I have to use the black, so according to that it will be it will look amazing. So check it out properly. So I'm going to just border the line, and I'm going to drag the color first after that. So first you have to border it, and I got this reference picture from Pinterest, and this is easy. You will check the final illustration after completing this painting, this illustration I'm saying. So you can check it out properly. So if you check, I'm using Baskerville brush, and how easy to draw with this brush. So it's really easy. So if you can see, I already dragged the color, and how it's look like, it's look amazing. So step by step I'm going to do it like this way. I'm going to use some other places with the black color. The top portion of the wings I'm going to use. Just you have to draw the outer line, and you have to drag the color. That's it. So all the black colors I'm going to use in one layer, like a layer 2 what I'm talking these are the portion, and here is the one portion I'm going to use it black, maybe there as well. Whatever you are going to do it on the left side, same thing you have to do it on the right side as well. So both are the same wing, so you have to do it same way. So check it out properly, step by step color I'm going to use it. And as I told you, I'm going to use another color for different layers. So black color layer should be in top. Underneath that you have to create step one by one layer. So you have to check it out properly, because black is the darkest color ever. So you can use that layer in the top. Then you have to create underneath that black color, you have to create a different layer. Now I'm going to use, as I told you, another layer, and I'm going to use a red color. So you have to you can a color you can choose by yourself. Like if you want to use instead of red, if you want to use blue color, you can use it, but the color combination should look good, then you have to use it. Doesn't matter, you need to use the red color or green color, any color you can use it. If the like illustration look good, then you can use it any color. So either you can follow the same color, or else you can use a different color. That's not a problem, as I told you. So check it out, like all the red color where I'm going to put it, I'm going to use those things first, outline, and then drag the color. These are the portion I'm going to use for this red color, and I'm going to create another layer for a for another color. So if you check it out properly, I'm just thinking like what color I should use right now. As I told you, underneath that black color, first I used a red, then I'm going to use another color. I'm going to use yellow first. The third color which I used, that's yellow. So those are places I'm going to use the yellow color. As I told you, like if you are going to use the color on the right side, see if you can check the left side one, it's bigger. So I'm going to remove sorry, I'm going to remove the a top portion, so it look almost same. I have to do it according to that. That's why I'm saying, that's why I told you like the sketch should be perfect. I made some mistake maybe on the a sketch. That's why it's I'm facing some problem with this. So you have to do it properly when you are going to draw. So drawing should be perfect. It's a very important things, because this kind of illustration, Victor, it's a Victor illustration. So on the Victor illustration, you have to draw it properly. So drawing or sketch will need to be perfect and properly you can use it. And on this whole illustration, I'm using only one brush. There is no other brush I'm using, only Baskerville. This is the a mother of this illustration. And basically Victor type of illustration only I would suggest everyone to use the Baskerville brush. So that's an easy brush to use in Procreate. And I forgot to tell you, I'm using Procreate and iPad. So for this illustration, Procreate is an amazing software to use this kind of illustration. Or if you want to draw any realistic type painting, you can use Procreate. Or if you want to create some animation, you can use it by Procreate, or else you can use Procreate Dreams. Both are the amazing. You can learn animation as well. I'm learning animation, so I'll show you step by step some after some times, don't worry. So check it out. I already used some of the, I have already used 1 2 3 4 colors I have already used. So I'm going to use more couple of colors, then I'm going to just do it properly. So check it out properly how I'm going to use this color. And I told you already that I'm going to border the line, because my sketch is perfect. That's why I'm not worried about it. So you can check it out properly that I'm using this color, and you can use any color. It doesn't matter, you need to use the same color. You can use, instead of this color, you can use any other color. But the method and the procedure, what I'm saying, the procedure should be accurate and should be in different color. Then you can create this kind of illustration. And make sure, I told you in my other videos as well, for Victor Art, whenever you are try to use a different color, try to create a different layer as well. So that's easy to draw. If any mistake happen after complete the painting, you can what I can say, you can just go back to that layer wherever where you made a mistake. You can just make sure you have to delete that layer, and or else erase something, and you can rectify your mistakes over there. So that's why I suggest to create different layer for the different colors. So if you can check properly that I have almost complete. First, it's not about the a color which I'm using another method which this illustration look amazing after that, after using all the colors. So that's why you have to watch till the end. So check it out properly. First, I'm going to use all the colors. I'm going to use it properly. completed the color. If you can, it's look good now, but still I need to be look more amazing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to like if you can check, I have used all the layers in different colors. So I'm going to use this time like what I can see, I'm going to use a soft airbrush, like a soft brush from airbrushing. And first I'm going to like go to this, for example I'm going to the black color. They will leave the black color as it is. Underneath the black color I used red color. So for that red color I'm going to do the alpha lock. So every color you need to do the alpha lock first, and you have to like the opacity should be 50%. And the color, for example you are using the red color layer, you are you are working on the red color layer. So you have to do it the dark of the red color, and you have to just do it on the the bottom side, and the upper side should be lighter one, so it's look amazing. If you check properly, I'm using soft brush for that. Each and every color I'm using, each and every color layer I'm using that, and it's look amazing, it's look like a 3D one. So that's why I'm using this kind of things. So I told you as I at the beginning time that this paint, this illustration should will good and as amazing as look. So you have to do it like this way, and make sure whenever using this airbrushing, you have to do the layer for alpha lock, because if you do the alpha lock, the color's not going anywhere. So you have to do it like this way. If you can check properly, I have already completed the illustration. I have to do the the background color, and the illustration will be completed. And this is the easy to draw this kind of illustration. This is for beginners who can create easily, who is learning Procreate, who is who wants to draw digital art, who wants to learn digital art. This kind of painting, this kind of illustration can you can make it easily. So do let me know in the comment section how is it, and share your artwork with me. Mention my channel name, or share your artwork in my comment section. I would I would like to see your creation. So, and one more thing, if you like my tutorial videos, other tutorials videos, please visit my channel, check it out. I have already uploaded more than 500, more than 550 videos on a digital art, paper art, there is so many arts videos I have already uploaded. And tell me which one is which one of the favorite in my whole painting videos, all over the channel, whatever I have already created. And one more thing, that if you do let me know in the comment section, I really it's helpful for me. It's kind of motivation which I will get from you. And do let me know as well that what I have to draw next time, what kind of illustration, what kind of realistic painting I have to create for you. So I would love to draw like that way, and I would love to create that kind of paintings or illustration. And after you complete this illustration, you have to just deselect the sketch. Then you can go ahead with it. If you can check, I have already completed. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on my next video. Once again, thank you.